In this past paper question, we are given a regular pentagon and we are asked to find out the value of d. This is the value of d and we have a regular pentagon. Pentagon means its all sides and angles are equal. We have to find out the value of d. Now this line AB is line of symmetry. It is a line of symmetry. So we have to find out the value of d. To calculate the value of d, we must know what will be the interior angle of this pentagon. So we use the same concept to find the sum of interior angle of a pentagon, and then we divide it by 5 to get each of the interior angle. So we use n minus 2 multiplied by 180, which gives us sum of the interior angle of a pentagon. N is number of sides. So 5 pentagon has 5 sides. 5 multiplied by 2, 5 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree, which gives us the value that is 540 degree. So now we have to find out the value of each interior angle. So we divide this 540. So I divide this one 540 divided by 5 to find out the value of each interior angle. So the value of each interior angle is 108, which means that so this angle is this complete angle, which is interior angle, which is 108. Now because this line A to B, this line is a line of symmetry, which means that this line divides the angle into two parts. So what I have to do to find out the value of d, to calculate the value of d, I have to divide this interior angle by 2. 108 divided by 2, which gives us the required result, right? So because AB is the line of symmetry, so this gives 108 divided by 2, the value is 54. The value of d is 54 degree. Now we are going to solve this problem, which is problem number 44. Here in this diagram, AB is a straight line. We have a straight line AB. Find the value of x and y. So how do we find out the value of x, right? So first we have to find out the value of x here. So how do I find out the value of x here? This is the value of x. Because we know that the sum of x degree plus 120 degree is equal to 180. So we can find the value of x, which is 60 degree. The value of x is 60 degree. Now if the value of x is 60 degree, so we can find the value of y, right? The value of y becomes 180 degree minus 80 degree minus 60 degree, right? So the value of y is 180 minus 80 minus 60, which is 40 degree. So the value of y is 40 degree. Here we have found the value of y, which is 40 degree. Now in next problem here, so we are given the diagram shows the part of regular polygon. The exterior angle is x degree. So we are given this is the exterior angle. This angle is exterior angle, which is x degree. And the interior angle is 29x. So we have interior angle which is 29x. So we have this one is interior angle which is 29x. Work out the number of sides of this polygon, right? So work out, first we have to find out the value of x. How do I find out the value of x? Because sum of interior angle and exterior angle is equal to 180 degree. So I write 29x plus x, this is equal to 180 degree. So which gives us 30x is equal to 180 degree, and the value of x is equal to 6 degree. So which means that the value of x is 6 degree, which is exterior angle. We have to find out the number of sides. So I use the formula to find the number of sides, which is n is equal to, right, 360 degree divided by exterior angle, divided by exterior angle, right? So what is the value of this exterior angle, which is 360 divided by the exterior angle is 6 degree, right? So the value of, work out the number of sides are, so we have to divide 360 divided by 6, which gives us 60, right? So number of sides are 60. The value of n is equal to 60, which means that number of sides are 60. Now we are more interested to find out this problem. Here we are given, the diagram shows the two parallel lines. We are given two parallel lines, which is PQ and BT. We have two parallel lines here. This is the one, and we have the second one, which is here. Both these lines are parallel. And the angle QAC is 43 degree. So find the value of x. We have to find out the value of x. Now here in this diagram, this is x, we have to find out the value of this x. Now because this triangle, this side is equal and this side is equal, which means that this is isosceles triangle. So can we find out this angle? What will be this angle? Because both these lines are, this line and both these lines are parallel, right? And we know that this is a transversal here. This is a transversal, right? Which simply makes that this 43 degree is equal to this angle, which is 43 degree. And the reason is because these are alternate angles. These are alternate angles. Now, but we have this triangle, which is BAC. This is isosceles triangle, which means that this angle must be equal to 43 degree, right? So we have two angles, 43 and 43. So how do we find out the value of x, right? The value of x will be x degree. This is equal to 180 degree minus 2 times of 43 degree, right? So we find out the value of x, which is 180 minus 2 times of 43. This is 94. The solution to this problem, which says that find the value of x, the value of x is 94 degree, which is our required result.